Which bird speaks? Written by Joe Slade. Bearded bird. I am bearded bird. I have feathers on my beaks that look like hair. Crossbill. I am crossbill. My beak is crossbill like an X. My beaks get just out of the tree corn. Do you see it? Yes. This beak is like an X. Rhinoceros. Hornbill. I am rhinoceros hornbill. I have a horn on the top of my beak. I use it to knock down the fruit. Sword-billed hummingbird. I am sword-billed hummingbird. I use my long beak to drink from flower. Brown pelican. I am brown pelican. I can hold fish in the skin under the beak. Shoebill stork. I am a shoebill stork. My beak is snapped like a shoe. Shaped like a shoe. Spoonbill. I am spoonbill. My long beak looks like spoonbill. Toucan. I am toucan. My huge and colorful beak is very light. Many birds have white beaks. Which beak is your favorite?